Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? If you're seeing me for the first time, you're highly welcome. My name is Lily. I live here in Mexico with my family, so be free, smash that red subscription button and join the family. Okay, so in today's video, guys, I will be sharing with you how you can set your camera, okay, um the right way. Yeah, so somebody special actually brought this to my attention, okay, because trust me, I was doing it the wrong way previously, okay, before she brought it to my attention. So this is me using this opportunity to give a shout out to my beloved sister Jessica. Yeah, Jessica's Reality, okay, formerly known as Fantastic Favor. Yeah, she saw one of my videos and she brought it to my attention quickly. Yeah, so shout out to you, sis. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link to her video in the description box in case you want to go and check her out. She does amazing things on her channel. Okay, yeah, so a few months ago, guys, there was this controversy here on YouTube. Okay, I think that happened on Amarachi's channel. Yeah, Amarachi Duru's channel. Okay, yeah, one of us or some of her subscribers got pissed off, okay, or came for her that she was using her left hand to eat while she was actually using her right hand to eat, okay, because of wrong camera setting, okay, which is what I'm here to share with you how you can correct it. Okay, yeah, so it was really controversial that period. Okay, about using your left hand and not using your left hand. So as I'm talking to you right now, this camera is on the wrong setting. Okay, I purposely put it on the wrong setting just to show you something. All right, so what this setting does is that when you are doing anything with your right hand, it will look as if you are doing it with your left hand. And if there is any alphabet at all on your background, on your video background, or found anywhere, that alphabet will not be positioned the right way. It will actually turn upside down. Okay, for example, this shirt I'm wearing, I purposely wore this shirt just to, for more clarification. This shirt I'm wearing has, smile written on it. Yeah, so but if you're looking at this smile right now, it will be turned upside down, right? So but by the time I finish setting this camera the right way, this smile will actually turn the right way. And you guys, this is my right hand, but when you are watching it right now, it will look as if it's my left hand. Okay, yeah, but one thing is that when you're recording your video, it will look as if everything is okay. The way you'll be seeing yourself, your right hand will actually appear as your right hand, while your left hand will appear as your left hand. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video already. This is my camera right now, and all we have to do now is to go to the settings of this camera. I don't know whether this thing is applicable to non-Samsung users, but if you are a non-Samsung user, I mean, if you are using another phone apart from Samsung, you can, look for it thoroughly. It might not be exactly where my own is. You can just search for it and make sure you see this thing. Okay, selfies as previewed. That is what we are talking about. This selfies as previewed, as you can see, it is turned on, which is not supposed to be the right way. Okay, I purposely turned it on just to show you what I'm talking about. So all we have to do now is turn it off. Once you turn it off, the camera settings will change, and once it changes, you will see the effects whenever you make your videos. Okay, so that your subscribers will stop being confused about your left and your right hands. Okay, so guys, this is after setting the camera right. Okay, can you notice any difference at all? Yeah, you can see the smile written on this shirt has positioned itself the right way. Okay, and this is actually my right hand, and as you're watching me, it feels like my right hand. Okay, so this is actually my right hand. Yeah, so this is me saying thank you once again to sister Jessica, of Jessica's Reality, okay, for bringing this to my attention. Thank you so much, sis. I really do appreciate you. So I just hope someone out there finds this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.